si Benedict.
Maraming salamat, Coach Sarah. Coach Lea naman, your thoughts?
Magagaling din yung lahat. Pero may isa sa inyo na mula nung umpisa, fearless yung kanyang performance. At got to a point na wala na akong pakialam kung sino nanonood sa akin, basta kakanta na lang ako. So I'm thinking, Benedict.
Thank you very much. O Bamboo, sinong nanaig? Nagkata na to.
Yes,
I will do that. So we will go out.
gumawa tayo ng game plan. Sinunod yung lahat eh. Sim, as always, you sing beautifully. But Sim, sometimes I can feel the resistance. Eh, Christian, yung growth mo sa umpisa, nung ilang beses tayo nag-rehearse, ang laki lang. Maraming sa Christian. And Benedict, hopefully may points na pwede ayusin to. Pero yung awesome song, yung pagka-fun ng song, nahuli na yun eh. Yun ang gusto ko. Humikaw ka lang. So kung pipili ako, sino ang dadalhin ko to the next round? Okay, so pipiliin ko, moving forward. Benedict.
You're moving forward to the next round competition.
Good job, son.
I will do it. Wala na.
You can do better. You can do better. Right?
Wala pa ba yan?
Is the audience the mom is very proud?
Good job. Keep it up.
Anna, they will not complete now.
Librehang Coninyo of ice cream.
Librehang ko.
Coninyo of ice cream.
Old ice cream.
That means you're gonna give us ice
You
cream.
got it.
Deal. Thank you very much, kids. Coach Bamboo.
Ngipit isang representative na ni Playa at ni Bamboo sa Silops. Ang Team Sara naman ang susunod na pakita bilas sa battle stage.
Mahirap sa ito.
Kaya tayo nasa tuktok ng pyramid.
When the Voice Kids returns.
Sa pagsikat ng araw,
Sa kanyang mata, makikita ang madilim na pag-asa.
ano ba yung paraiso?
Kung saan kasama mo ang mga mahal
Pero paano titin namin ang gagawin?
Dito sa Manila, nakakabayaran mo. Wala na.
Ang mundo ay unti-unting maglilim. Ngayong lunes, magiging bahagi ka na ng buhay ni Ningning bago mag-showtime.
Ipinakikilala ang Barbecue Face. Sarap na may ebidensya. Kahit ng Pinoy Barbecue ng Goldilocks. Pinoy ang timpla. Kaya ito sarap pa. Ako
Okay, and Justin put the voice in that. Don't you know that? Diba?